In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one email for a group in Google Workspace. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll want to head over to Google Workspace. To do this, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace website. Google Workspace is Google's suite of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools, and having an account is essential to access the features we'll be using today. Once you're on the Google Workspace site, look for the Admin Console. The Admin Console is the central hub where you can manage all the services and users in your domain. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to a dashboard that provides a comprehensive overview of your Google Workspace account. Now that you're in the Google Workspace dashboard, the next step is to locate the directory section. The directory is where you manage all the user accounts, and this is crucial for configuring your group email correctly. Once you find directory, go ahead and click on it. Following this, you'll need to click on Groups. Groups are a fantastic way to organize people into mailing lists, and this is where you'll actually create the group email. Note that before proceeding, you'll need to verify your domain. Domain verification authenticates your ownership of the domain name, ensuring you have the right to make changes and configurations such as setting up new emails. So, with your domain verified and you're in the Groups section, you can now create a group by clicking on the appropriate option. This is where you'll input the group name and the email ID you'd like to use. Make sure to choose a descriptive name that clearly reflects the purpose of the group. After setting up the group name and email, you can add members to your group. This allows the selected group members to receive emails sent to the group email address. You can also set permissions to determine who can send or view emails from this group address. This step is all about fine-tuning your group's configuration to best suit your team's needs. And there you have it, you've successfully created a group email in Google Workspace. This new email setup allows for streamlined communication and organization within your team, ensuring that everyone stays on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process simple and clear. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments section below.